Hi, my name is Corey and I'm the Assistant Marketing Manager at the Vol Shop. I'm here today to show you how to submit an adoption for course materials at the Vol Shop. We use a simple and straightforward process, Collect, provided by VitalSource that makes adopting materials quick and easy. When it is time to place a course material adoption, you will receive an email from the bookstore. This email will include a personalized link to view your adoptions or submit your adoptions. The email also contains information about who to contact from our bookstore if you need any help or have any further questions. First, you'll need to click the link that says View Adoptions. When you click this link, it will open a new browser that will show all of the courses that have been assigned to you. For demonstration purposes, I have assigned myself to 2 courses. If you are an instructor for multiple courses, your profile will show all of the courses that you're responsible for. Click on the block and you will see the sections pop up on the right-hand side. If you are teaching multiple sections for the same course and want to use the same material for each section, simply select all of the sections so that you only need to do the adoption once. In my case, I only have one section, so I'm going to click on that box and hit the orange Next. You can choose to begin the material selection process by adding books to the course. You can choose to not add any books if applicable, or you can select that this section is no longer being offered. In my case, I'm going to choose Yes, I need to add books, OER materials, or supplies. You will then be directed to a page with the course and section information at the top. There are 3 tabs to choose from on this page: Copy another adoption, Add new materials, or Add manually. Copy another adoption will show you any materials that have been adopted for this course from previous semesters. If you are choosing to use the same materials as semesters past, go ahead and select this option. You may also use the filters to find previously adopted materials. In my case, I'm going to add new materials. Then I'm going to search by an ISBN, author, or title. In this case, we'll just do a book that was really popular when I was a kid. Once I found the book I'm looking for, I'll hit the Quick Add to List button. From there, a pop-up will appear asking you a bunch of questions. As a digital-first campus, we will convert any adoption into first-day access programs if it is available digitally, so you will need to select that you understand the policy and the requirements. You will also need to confirm that the material meets Title II regulations, which deals with ADA compliance. Please make sure to familiarize yourself with ADA and accessibility requirements before selecting course materials. Then, you will need to select if the book is required or optional. If you would like the book to be included in our Total Access program, make sure that you hit Required. Finally, you will need to select that you understand the material list price. Once everything has been selected, hit Apply. A pop-up will appear letting you know if your adoption is eligible for Total Access. Please hit Yes, I'm interested because your required materials will automatically be added to our Total Access program. If you need to adopt a book that cannot be found in the national database, you can also add it manually. You can add a course pack, a book, educational technology materials, or OER materials or supplies. Make sure you add as much information you have about the material so that the correct material can be provided for your students. Once you've added all the materials you need for the course, click on the green Review and Submit button. You will see what you have selected, and you will also be able to edit or remove from this page. You can also choose to enter any additional details you think might be helpful, such as an estimated enrollment or any notes that may be applicable. Once you have completed all of that, click on the orange Submit Adoptions button. Shortly after submitting, you will receive a confirmation email letting you know that we have your adoption. I hope this helped to better explain the course material adoption process, and if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to the VolBooks contacts found in your original email. Go Vols!